This is a 1975 Ford long bed four-wheel drive pickup. It has a inline six. We added a Weber carburetor and a dual exhaust. We've rebuilt engine, transmission, transfer case, suspension, full paint job, all the chrome and trim's brand new. The color is Ford Mustang Bullet Green, and we went with this, and he loves it. And they own a Mustang, so they already liked it. The guy that owns this truck is a super cool guy. It's always fun to build cool stuff for cool customers.